Watch this. Let's try that.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
That's right, where we bring you detailing information
and other automotive goodness.
So please consider liking the channel if you don't mind.
Yeah, that would be very nice. Hey, if you can, subscribe. It's free.
Yep, ring the notification bell so you know when we put out the new videos.
Share with your friends.
And check out merch.
We've got some cool merch, and thank you if you have checked it out.
Yep.
And if you haven't checked it out, check it out. It's cool.
And you know what? Thank you for subscribing, ringing the bell, and liking the videos.
Yeah.
We appreciate all that too, guys.
Yeah, we really do appreciate it.
And what else do we appreciate?
We appreciate being able to open up boxes of product.
Yes. Okay, let's get to the point here, right? Super cool. Glovebox company makes these really cool subscription boxes for detailing addicts.
I'm just going to show you the box. It's heavy.
It is. And they reached out to us and wanted to send this to us. And we're like, heck yeah.
Yeah, we'll definitely
Sweet.
See what it's all about.
So we'll kind of give a background on this. So again, it's called Glovebox, car detailing subscription box. This is the deluxe kit. If you do go on their website now, there is a couple other options that they have, but we were informed that they are only going to have this deluxe kit. And we obviously have not opened it, so we do not know what's in here. So it's a surprise. You want a surprise of your detailing products every month?
Yeah, and what's cool though is Brandon and I heard about Glovebox, the subscription service, several months ago, right?
Several months ago,
Maybe
you told me about it.
3-4 months ago. It's been a while. And you were like, you know, that would be kind of a cool thing for the channel to get.
Right.
That way we get unique and different detailing products to review for you guys every month.
Right. So we were like, that could totally work. And then we just waited a little while. And cool thing, they reached out to us.
Yeah,
right?
so we appreciate that Glovebox. We really do.
Stay tuned to the end of the video too, because we have a special for you guys we're going to tell you about.
Yeah. Stick around.
Okay, so I'm going to I've got Glovebox up here. I didn't want to get any information wrong. We talked about this. We want to kind of refer to the website to tell you about the service.
So what is the website?
It is gloveboxdetail.com.
Okay.
Make sure, gloveboxdetail.com. So that's where you'll go to sign up for the service if you'd like. The deluxe kit here is $34.99 a month.
Okay.
It goes out on the 1st of each month. So they ship them out. This went out, September 1st. They shipped this out. And this is the September box. So basically, that experience, it says right here, the deluxe experience. Mm-hmm. You can go on there and look at what was in the past month boxes if you want to see what was included in those.
Yeah.
It says our recent deluxe boxes have been valued at $62 to $95 worth of product. It's hand-picked by their detailing experts. It says each box is packed with premium detailing products from top brands and comes with monthly unboxing videos, exclusive discounts, and 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Okay, so the owner and curator looks like Brad Mills. Actually, I assume he's the owner. A veteran-owned business that is headquartered in Chicago. Just wanted to point that out. He's the curator, it looks like, based on what we were reading on the website, that picks out these detailing products. Great list of names that they work with. Okay, so we pulled up real quick here the companies that they work with, that they curate these boxes from. Great list of companies.
Check out some of these. I don't know if you can see it real well. Again, you can go to their website. But you got like 303 Adams Polishes, Jack's Wax, P&S. What else do we have? We have Jay Leno's Garage.
Lake Country. Mother's is in there.
McGuire's.
Yeah. What we got? There's a ton of them. Really good stuff. Ethos is down there. Wizards. Did you say Wizard? You might have said that.
No, I didn't.
But anyways.
But yeah, a good variety of legitimate, awesome companies.
Yeah. So it said here that Brad is a professional detailer of 15 years or so. So you're getting stuff picked from someone who knows what they're talking about. Anyways, I think that kind of covers the service.
Yeah, go ahead and.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you can kind of show since you have the site up here.
Yeah, so here's the site. Make sure you're on this site if this is what you want to do. Like I said, it does have the 3 plans now. I was informed that there will be only this plan in the future. And there you go. See, there's the collection from June through May. Kind of shows you what they give you. A couple chemicals.
I don't want to see what's in this one.
Yeah, let's not see what's in September. I shouldn't be up there, I hope. All right, but anyways, there you go. I say we open it up. Let's see what's in this thing.
All right.
It's you, Ryan. Check this out.
There is a box inside the box.
It's a box within a box, and we got a note. Hey, that's awesome. Okay, so Brad and Jason are the co-founders. Check that out. We're gonna, we
hey,
should
Brad. Hey, Jason.
Says, thanks for your purchase. Obviously, we didn't purchase it. They sent it to us.
They did.
Note states, But anyways, and so they're putting this in there each month, I'm sure. At Glovebox, we love cars detailing, most of all, keeping our customers stocked with the best car care products. Stay up to date on product releases, detailing tutorials, exclusive member perks, and original content by staying connected with us on social media. And then they have listed, they're on YouTube, Glovebox, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit. It says, happy detailing the Glovebox team. It's Brad and Jason. So.
Card in here. Very cool, and then it kind of gives you an idea of what it's all about.
And let's get the actual. Oh, check that out! We even got some packing material.
Some packing material here to throw your way. Okay, we done with this box?
We are done.
All right.
Toss it.
All right.
All right. So here you go. Here's your box.
Oh. Again.
The branding.
The whole packaging thing. I'm impressed. I love brand consistency.
And look at this. Nice. Oh, I'm already excited. Oh, we got a cool sticker. Hey, these are like great waterless wash towels. These waffle weave.
They are. The waffle weave. It's amazing. That. Yes, I agree.
It's a good towel. I like that. All right, look. Everything's wrapped. That's cool.
Oh, that is cool. Check it out.
I'm going to go with this one. I want the big bottle.
Go for it.
You grab a bottle. I'll grab a bottle. Let's do it. Ooh, I'm excited because this is a company we haven't done anything with yet. Wizards Mist and Shine Detailer.
Oh, I remember, 6 months ago, we were
talking about Wizards. You
telling me about it,
Wizards.
right?
You sent me Wizards, and I'm like, oh yeah.
And then we started going through their site.
And they have a lot of products, actually.
Yeah. So this will be great to try out.
Adds gloss to paint and chrome. Super gloss.
Mist and Shine.
Cool stuff.
Looking forward to that. I'm gonna grab a bottle.
I didn't do very good there.
Yeah, that was weak.
Oh, that's a unique shaped bottle.
Yeah, I
don't know.
I'm not recognizing colors or anything here, so.
What we got?
What is this?
It's dressing. No, I'm just kidding.
Lithium?
Quench hydration.
Oh, sorry.
It's a paint hydrator.
Paint hydrator.
Interesting.
Restore, it says. 16 ounces of time travel.
Wow, I've never heard of that. We're gonna have to delve into that one.
I have no idea. Yeah, and it's kind of
I just thought it looked like a bottle of salad dressing.
It's kind of a milky color. Yeah,
right.
No, seriously, don't put this on your salad.
Don't eat. Well, I'm curious. Paints and clear coats dry out. Salt, UV rays, harsh.
It is true.
All take their toll. Older single-stage paints are particularly vulnerable. Quench is emulsified with grapeseed and avocado oils. Not harmful solvents.
That is really interesting.
Interesting. So you just rehydrate your paint.
Brandon,
like your skin.
I don't know if I ever told you about that. Real quick, guys. About 12 years ago, I went to a little detailing seminar.
Okay.
And there was a professional detailer there. And one of the first things he talked about was clear coats on cars and how you need to keep them almost hydrated, kind of like what that's saying.
Yeah. Makes sense.
That clear coats dry out. And he had a chunk of clear coat that was sprayed. So it was like layers and layers of clear coat. And he passed it around because it was kind of almost rubbery, kind of flexible. But over time, it dries out and it becomes rigid and it cracks and flakes. I'm sure you've seen
you've probably seen
old clear coat,
right?
Where it'll peel away, it'll flake away.
We have a video of some.
And at that time, he had recommended, using a really good high-end polish, kind of like rehydrated it, or kind of like using lotion for your skin. That's the way he described it. And then he talked about then locking that in with a layer of wax.
Cool.
So he was talking about polish and then a layer of wax for protection.
Yeah, so this says Quench Hydration Wax. So that's exactly what it is.
Oh,
so
cool.
It's all there. Lithium Auto Works. Cool stuff.
So that makes sense in my mind. That's cool.
Hey.
Wow, the color,
it's like that ethos towel.
It is.
I think this one's softer though.
It's
softer.
Oh my goodness.
Way softer.
Yeah, what is it, the GS?
The GSMs, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a nice
and it's edgeless. Towel. Very, very soft.
And a great color. Hey, don't drop it on the ground.
No.
Hey, check this out. Some dressing applicator.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Whoa.
I like the ridge.
Yeah.
It keeps the stuff off your hand.
Yep, you can keep your fingers.
It doesn't drip onto your hand.
Right?
Yeah. Check out our quick tips.
All right, Ryan, last bottle's yours. I see a sprayer, so I'm gonna guess it's a sprayable of some sort.
Okay.
I'll get the sprayer.
All right, this one's so far, or well, I mean, this is the last bottle in there, but the presentation was great.
Beautiful, yeah. And it says under here, detail matters.
Jax Wax glass cleaner.
Awesome. You're a Jax Wax fan.
I am. I'm a big fan of Jax Wax products. I really enjoy their detail spray, their showroom shine spray, and their, what is it? We use Super Blue for like tire dressing, black trim.
Ooh, I'm sweating. Sorry, guys.
It really enhances your black trims.
Nice, good, non-greasy, yeah.
But to be honest, I've never used their glass cleaner, so that's cool.
Awesome. Got some reviews we can do here, guys. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you again very much, Glovebox. This is awesome presentation, awesome stuff.
I don't know if we showed them the bottle on the Wizards. Hey guys, included in the kit also is this handy step-by-step guide on how to use each of the products, and not only to just use the products, but use them together. So there's a lot of thought put in to each of the products included in the kit.
Impressive. And we once we read through that, we really kind of figured that out. Helps to read the instructions, right?
It is. This is great. So we wanted to make sure we spent a little extra time pointing this out, because there's a lot of thought that goes into each product and how each product can and could work together.
Yeah, exactly. Now, of course, you always can do whatever you want with the products, but this is great. This is really helpful. And we wanted to point out on this card too, down here at the bottom, you also get a total retail value of the whole box that you got. So these are all the products included in this kit for September. So it looks like each month you'll get that information and some promo codes for the specific manufacturers. So really cool.
So yeah, there's a lot of value here, not only in products, but on how to use those products together.
Impressive to see that done that way. I would have never thought of a monthly subscription kit that actually is that well thought out. So.
Yeah, it's definitely something to appreciate.
All right, guys, we asked that you stick around, or we told you to stick around, so this is why. Glovebox was really cool and hooked you guys up for us with a code, PURE20, when you check out at gloveboxdetail.com, right?
PURE 20?
Yep, get 20% off your first box. Do it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
If you're at all interested. Good deal.
It's definitely a good deal because you get full-size products in this deluxe kit.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Glovebox. Much appreciated, and thank you from our viewers. I'm sure you know they'll take advantage of that.
And you know what? I have to say, just like a real quick wrap up here, excellent presentation, branding, and how fun is it to get like a mystery box? It's a mystery box every month of great detailing products. So really cool idea, Glovebox. You're doing really well here. We love what we've seen.
Yeah.
And thank you for sending that. So, all right, we'll wrap up the video. Please, guys, remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell.
Check out our merch.
And as always, we appreciate you guys. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.
All right, watch for the reviews. They're coming. All right, later, guys.
You know, they did it with Superman. You know, they painted out his mustache, so that's no different than the cicadas buzzing. It's like,